So this clip was taken April 25, 2025. So ito, pupunta na to ng Patag Silay. So kanina nasa Silay City kami, pero now we are going to Patag Silay and we were gonna visit the Duyan Cafe. So may pinuntahan na din kami na parang resort siya, pero I forgot to get the details about that resort.
Ito to up tanan to binili mo nila katatanan pa ay tanan. Matos mo lang tayo.
Yeah. Sino ko ni Rice? Ikaw?
Kami.
So hey everyone, it's May 18, 2025 and kakagising ko lang na ito. But I am preparing my hair kasi mamaya may errands akong pupuntahan. And ayun, by the way, I'm using Veterans hairspray to keep my hair fresh, malamang. So ayan, mag-heatless curl ako and I'm not using any flat irons or hair curler every time na nag-curl ako ng hair kasi sobrang alay talaga sa kamay kapag gagamit pa ako ng mga tools. Ayan, if you want me to do a tutorial about how I curl my hair without using any flat irons or curler tools like that, just comment down below. And after this vlog, I suppose also to do a get ready with me. Kaso nga lang, sobrang ingay talaga every time na gagawa ko ng video. And also, kapag nag-get ready with me kasi ako, ante ko, ang bilis ng oras. So, hindi ko na makuha yung yung clip talaga na nag-get ready with me ako. But I will try soon na mag-clip about how I getting ready 2025 or how I do my makeup and skincare. So yeah, for now, ayan lang yung clip na kita ko and that's how I curl my hair. Look at that. It's easy and hitless talaga. So, safe na safe yung hair ko. Hala kate. So this is my errands date with the Lord because it's Sunday. And after this, kumain lang kami sa labas. Ayan. After that, umuwi na rin kami. Malamang. So, it's May 21st and ayan, kasama ko naman yung friend ko. Basta kasama ko siya guys. Lahat ng gala is unplanned. So, pumunta lang naman kami ng Ruins, Talisay City.
Hi guys, I'm finally at home. So kung na-try dito mo,
No.
ice cream. Our afternoon breaks. Yung sa
So, sarado yung cafe ng The Ruins, kaya umuwi rin kami ng Bacolod after an hour. Nag-picture lang talaga kami guys. And ayan. So, same day, dumating yung order ko from Ficolor. This is the brow mascara kasi minsan tinatamad na ako talaga mag-brow using the brow pencil. So, ayan. Open the package lang. And the rest of the video, yun lang naman yung gala ko for the month. But if you want to get updated about my life, you can visit my Instagram at JulesICMM. So, ayun lang. Thank you guys for watching this video. See you on my next vlog and comment down below if you have recommendations for what content na gusto niyong gawin ko. Love you guys!